Hi, let's say you have an older house with analog cameras and you accidentally bought a digital one to replace one of the older one which broke or something happened to it, whatever. Let's say you have wiring, coaxial cable, and a new camera which only accepts network LAN connection RJ45. Let me show you a neat little device that can help you a lot. It costs a couple of euros on AliExpress. Super cheap, inexpensive. IP passive extender over coax. So basically, you take your existing coaxial cable, you put it inside here. At the other end, there is a RJ45 connector. So what I have here is this cable goes to my router, this goes to camera, and this goes to my DVR or NVR. Basically, this is the basic of the basic switches, unmanaged, non-PoE. The cheapest one you can get. This is that. It does the job. I think it's like still a gigabit or something. Yep, still a gigabit. 5-port, super easy, super simple switch, and via coaxial cable this goes to camera. Let me show you. By the way, this is the image from that camera, just to show it's working. Here it says it's HWI B12 age whatever. So let me show you the camera setup. So this is the camera I got. Elixir fixed mini bullet network camera, Hikvision, Highwatch series Elixir. Basically, on the product page there were no indication that this is a network camera. There were no pictures of the box or dimension of the network. It only said like Highwatch series Elixir and specification like 2 megapixel, 4 millimeters, and that's basically all. And this is the like box that came with super cheap, but it does the job. Hey, let me show you the camera setup right here. So same device as on the switch. This cable goes from the wall. This is the old camera, busted. The new one. 12 volts power, our new little device, and basically the camera that only accepts network or RJ45, and as you did saw on the screen, like the picture of the floor. So yeah, this is the easiest way to use coaxial cable to basically power and use network camera. Super simple, super easy. This is reversible, so you can take this one and put it on the NVR. It doesn't matter which one you take. It only matters like coaxial side or IP side. So yeah, here it says like 8 megapixel over 220 meters. Nah, kinda doubt that, but hey, 10/100 megabits per second. So yep, maybe it can do it. I don't know. This is only a 2 megapixel, but it does the job.